Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use future deduction coupons in KuCoin. First, open your KuCoin app and navigate to your futures account. You'll find your available deduction coupons there. These coupons are designed to reduce your trading fees, making your futures trades more cost-effective. Always ensure your futures account has enough funds to cover your intended trades before applying any coupons. To activate a coupon, head over to the Futures section within the KuCoin platform. Here, you can browse through your available deduction coupons. Carefully select the one you intend to use for your next trade. Before proceeding, always double-check the coupon's value and its expiration date to ensure it's valid and provides the desired discount for your trading strategy. Once your coupon is active, simply proceed to place your futures trade as you normally would. The KuCoin system is designed to automatically detect and apply any active deduction coupons to your eligible trades. Before you finalize your order, take a moment to review the trade details. You should see the reduced trading fee reflected, confirming your coupon has been successfully applied. To maximize your savings, consider using your deduction coupons strategically, especially for larger futures trades where the fee reduction can be more significant. Always keep an eye out for new coupons and promotions that KuCoin frequently offers. These can provide additional opportunities to save on your trading fees. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Staying hydrated is key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.